Here you can see the difference in colour compared to the granite when it's delivered. So this is how it's delivered. And this is the sort of colour it is when it's freshly quarried. It's put into the bag and then sent to us. We then send it on to you guys when you buy it from us. But you can see here, because it's freshly quarried, there is a lot of sort of dust on here. You can see this is what your hand looks like after rubbing it, and that causes the stone to look lighter when it's delivered. Now if we compare that to this piece of granite here, which is installed in one of our gabions in the yard, it's been weathered and it's been rained on, so all the excess dust has been washed off, but you can see the difference in colour compared to the unwashed stone. Of course, this stone will look like this stone in the end. They're both granite. This stone here is just freshly quarried and needs to be rained on a bit. Once that's done, then it will start to look like this stone. Here is one of our pre-filled gabions, and you can see the different colours that granite shows up as. So it's like a burgundy, browny, grey, slightly different shades here, like a plum shade. And it is much sort of darker than you get when it first appears in your bag and delivered like this. But again, as soon as it's washed, once it's put in the gabion and it gets rained on, that will be removed. You can also use a hose if you want to hose it down once it's installed, or before it's installed if you wish. But in the end, it'll end up looking like this once you get good old British rain on it. I hope that helps. Thanks very much.